Hey guys, it's Robin, RsIslandCrafts. This is Talk to Me Tuesday for Tuesday, June 18th, 2019. I don't have any big quilts to show you or small quilts to show you. I haven't done too much sewing this week, but what I did work on was I worked on my little mini quilts. I did some little tight free motion quilting in this one. And this one. And then I did the straight line in this one. And I've got to say, I think the straight line is my favorite. I love the way it looks. It reminds me of those little sand things you can put on your desk with a little rake, those little Zen things. You can kind of go like this and it calms you down and relaxes you. It was reasonably relaxing. I did all the outer ones first and then I came back to the center because I really wasn't sure how I was going to do it. I was afraid if I started here that it would bunch up, and then how are you going to start? How are you going to start in that little itty bitty center there? I tried that didn't work. So then I got the brilliant idea that I'll do every other round. So I started right here along this outside, and then I skipped one area and I went to the next one. And then after I went all the way through, I went back and I did the in-between ones, and that let it lay nice and flat and didn't do any strange weird puckering anywhere, so that came out really nice. I have it all bound and hand stitched down. I did a little rustic stitching on my label. So I have two of these that are ready to go out to my patrons. I put my label down at the bottom on this one and on the top on this one. Since there's no hanger, you can actually decide which way you figure is top and bottom. And I'm currently hand stitching this one down still. Didn't get very far, as you could see. It's been a little bit busy around the house here, so I still have a bunch to do. And that's really it for me this week. I did not sew anything else. The only time I turned on my machine was to quilt these. These were really good though, because when I quilted them, they only took like 20 or 30 minutes. They went through really quick because of course they're really small. They're about 12 by 14, so that's not very much, so it doesn't take, even with the really tight stitching and a lot of the matchbook lines here, it didn't take that long to go through them. But I really like the way they turned out, and I think I'm going to do more. Not in this pattern, but I kind of like this size to have these small minis to hang up on the wall and to send out as little gifts to friends and all. So I hope everyone had a great week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!